Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm super excited to do the unboxings and review about one of the most talked about compact power banks from Anker. The Anker Nano Power Bank model A1638. It's got a 10,000 milliamp capacity, 45 watt fast charging, and these really cool built-in retractable USB-C cable. Let's see if it is as good as Anker's claims. Alright, let's open this up. In the box, we've got the Anker Nano Power Bank itself and the built-in retractable USB cable. A quick start guide. First impressions is surprisingly compact and solid. The design feels premium and at just 0.51 pounds. It's light enough to carry in your pocket or travel pouch. This is what makes it special. The built-in retractable InstaCord is a 2.3-foot cable that smoothly rolls in and out using a new roller system and is 73% sleeker than their first version. So no more tangled cables or messy setups. Just pull, plug, and charge. Simple and tidy. It also features an intelligent light-sensitive display, showing real-time battery levels and power flow for both USB-C and USB-A outputs. Pretty neat, especially when charging multiple devices. This little guy packs some serious power. You get 10,000 mAh of battery, which is enough to charge an iPhone 16 Pro to 50% in about 27 minutes, or even top up a MacBook Air in a pinch. It supports up to 45 watt output via USB-C port or cable, and 30 watt input when recharging the power bank, meaning that it can fully recharge in about 2 hours with a proper PD adapter. And yes, you can charge multiple devices at once, but the total combined output maxes at 22.5 watt when charging all ports together. What I really like is Anker's ActiveShield safety system. It runs over 6 million temperature checks daily to prevent overheating and extend battery life. So whether you're charging your phone overnight or using it while traveling, it's designed to stay cool and safe. This power bank works with almost everything: iPhones, iPads, MacBooks, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixels, Huawei, and even Apple Watch and AirPods. Just remember, for iPhone 14 or older, you will need a USB-C to Lightning cable, extra cable to charge your phone. Otherwise, you cannot use it. But the benefit is, if you're using the phone that comes with the USB Type-C port, this is the benefit. You don't have to bring along extra cables just to charge your phone. You can use the built-in one from this, power bank. For iPhone 17 series and Samsung, you can get up to 40 to 45 watts max output, which is powerful. It's also flight-approved, which makes it an awesome travel companion. Compact, durable, and ready to charge all your devices. This feels like one of those power banks you actually want to bring anywhere. So, to sum it up, you get a sleek, portable 10,000 mAh charger, retractable InstaCord, smart display, and two-way fast charging, all in one tiny package. That's my unboxing and review of Anker Nano Power Bank model A1638. If you're looking for a reliable, fast, and compact power solution, this one's definitely worth checking out. I will leave the product link in this video description. So please don't forget to check it out if you're interested in this power bank. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share, and especially click on the bell notification so that you won't miss my future reviews on different tech products. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Thanks.